Hey everyone, are you having trouble logging into Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to fix common Luma AI login issues step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure your device is properly connected. Next, open the Luma AI website and verify that you are using the correct login method. I mean using a different sign-in option than the one you originally registered with can prevent access. If you are entering an email and password, check that your login details are correct and make sure there are no typing mistakes. Next, try resetting your password if you cannot remember your account credentials. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart your browser before trying to log in again. If the problem continues, try using a different browser or open Luma AI in a private or incognito window. Next, disable browser extensions, VPNs, or security tools that may interfere with the login process. Make sure the Luma AI service is available and wait if there is a temporary server issue. Finally, contact Luma AI support if you still cannot access your account and provide details about the login problem. And that's how to fix Luma AI login issues. By checking your account details, browser settings, and connection problems, you can usually restore access quickly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.